Think dog sledding, snowmobiling, northern lights gazing, and meeting Santa in his homeland. But perhaps the most unusual thing you can do in Lapland is sleep in a hotel made of ice. The most famous of all is the Ice Hotel in Sweden, which also happens to be the original one, built back in 1989. This exceptional place is as magical as you would hope, with rooms, a bar and art gallery all made from ice. Watch the full episode. Hotel in Sweden is exactly that, a hotel made of ice and snow. It was the first of its kind in the world when it opened in 1989 and remains the most famous. Ice Hotel is located in Jukkasjärvi, just outside the town of Kiruna in Swedish Lapland. This is a beautiful region in northern Sweden. The classic Ice Hotel winter is open between December and April every year. The ice sculptors get to work in November once the Torne River freezes over. They use this natural ice to construct the stunning frozen rooms you sleep in, as they have done for the past 30 years. You can spend the night in the Ice Hotel. It's an incredible and totally unusual experience that you can boast about when you get home. The hotel rooms are kept at a temperature of between -5 and -8 degrees Celsius, 23 and 17 degrees Fahrenheit, to ensure that the ice stays intact. They are beautifully adorned with hand-sculpted ice art and you sleep on a bed of ice. But, to make it comfortable, you have a thick mattress, thermal sleeping bags and reindeer hides. The riverside lobby is open 24/7 and it's where you can use the bathroom and shower. After sleeping in your cold room, you can get changed here, warm up in the sauna, and enjoy a hot cup of lingonberry juice. Visit the Ice Hotel Sweden in winter and you have a good chance of seeing the northern lights illuminating the skies. That's because the hotel is located in a prime spot in Swedish Lapland for aurora viewing. Ice Hotel is situated in the Arctic Circle, where intense aurora activity occurs. In fact, this part of Swedish Lapland lies within the Northern Lights belt, an area between 65 and 72 degrees north. Experts believe that this is where high auroral frequency and intensity takes place. The best time to visit Ice Hotel Sweden is in winter. This is when you can enjoy activities in the snow like dog sledding and northern lights gazing. Swedish Lapland really is a magical wonderland at this time of year and you don't want to miss it. Plus, between December and March, you can stay in a truly unique room and admire incredible works of art made from ice. As it all melts in the spring, you'll never see the same ice sculptures twice. If you are new to us, please subscribe and press the bell icon to see such videos. Share it with your friends and relatives. Like the video and stay connected. Thanks for watching.